Chicken chili for 2. Here's what you'll need to make this small batch chili. This chili gets its thick, smooth texture from pureed beans. You could also use hominy if you prefer. We take about half of the can and puree them with a bit of chicken broth. Set the beans aside, and then in a soup pot or Dutch oven, heat a bit of vegetable oil or olive oil and saute the poblano peppers, the onion, garlic, and the spices. Once the vegetables are tender, sprinkle in about a tablespoon of flour. This will further thicken the chili. Give the mixture a good stir, making sure that there is no uncoated flour. You want it to be completely coated with the remaining vegetable oil in the pot. And then add the chicken broth, making sure you scrape up any of the browned bits on the bottom of the pot. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth, making sure that you smooth out any lumps that are present. And then add the pureed beans as well as the whole beans, or hominy if you choose to use hominy. Next, add the chicken breast. Season it generously with salt and pepper. You could also use chicken cutlets if you prefer. Bring the mixture to a simmer, cover, and poach the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes, turning it halfway through. You want to make sure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Remove the chicken from the pot and shred it into bite-sized pieces, and then return it to the pot. And add about half a cup of salsa verde, return the chicken chili to the heat just until it is heated through once again, and it is ready to serve with all of your favorite chicken chili toppings. We enjoyed this chili with additional salsa verde and diced avocado. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.